Good morning, viewers. Well, today I'm looking on Lazada app. I'm looking for some brand new, original Nike shoes. Yes, originals. And there's only one place to look for originals online. It's the Nike flagship store. Also on this store, they have some vouchers you can add to your purchases. And this is what I want. I cannot see them in the Nike store in the city here in Bacolod, so I have to get them online. And they're $2,895. But I'll add some vouchers and get that down a little bit. These are the new Nike Court Vision lows. They're a little bit like the Air Force, but a little bit cheaper. And they're $2,895. I'll add some vouchers. And it comes to a total of $2,634. You get a Lazada voucher, a shipping voucher, a store voucher, and it all comes out to $48. And here they are, Nike original shoes for under $50 in the Philippines. These shoes are 20% recycled, so they're also good for the environment. They're size US 10s. And I can see them in there. I hope they've got the right colour. And they have. These are the wolf grey with the university red swoosh. All original. Good quality stitching. Nike on the sole. For under $50. I don't think you'll get a pair of Nike shoes.